So the first thing I noticed when I started using this is that there isn't much to configure on my side. I'm not building trading strategy, I'm not sitting here changing settings every few minutes, and I'm not manually telling the bot what trade to make. Claude is built into the system and it handles the trading process from there. So I've been around crypto platforms for a few years, and automated trading usually comes with a lot of extra work. You get a strategy, then you have to connect it to something, install software, deal with APIs, adjust parameters, and you still have to keep an eye on everything. Here, I wanted to see if that part could really be left to the platform. So let me start from the beginning, logging into account first. So this is the dashboard. The first screen already gives me most of the information I need. I can see trading activity, analytics, open and closed positions, and reports generated by the system. Here's the current session. The start time is shown here, then the running time, number of trades, and win rate. From the way the sessions are shown, the system moves into a new session roughly every hour. Okay, these are 3 plans available for the agent. The platform lists the features for each one here so you can see what changes between them. I've been using the platform for several weeks, and at the moment, I'm testing the first plan. Okay, now let's check the wallet. This is where the account activity is recorded. I can see deposits, withdrawals, balance changes, and the amounts added after the trading sessions. So if I want to check what happened earlier, I don't need to keep a separate record of it. I can just come back here. All right, let me show how to start it. I'm going to the setup section. Here I select plan, then choose the token, and send deposit to unique address. Okay, transaction confirmed, my balance is updated, and the percentage shown for the trading sessions has changed as well. So now I'll go through the withdrawal. Here's the amount currently available to withdraw, and the platform is showing results for the last several days. So I select the token and the network and paste my destination address. Press withdraw, and now protocol is processing the transaction. We need to wait a bit. So while that's happening, this is where the Claude part becomes important. I'm not using Claude separately and then trying to turn its answers into trades myself. AI is already connected to the trading process inside the platform. So once the system is running, I'm not sitting here deciding when to enter or exit a position. I'm not adjusting the strategy every time market moves. The platform is doing that part on its own. That's the main convenience I've noticed during my testing. I can leave the system running, come back later, and check sessions and trading activity from the dashboard. And compared with the automated setups I've used before, there's a lot less technical work on my side. I don't have to write code for the trading logic, I don't need to install another program just to keep the bot running, and I'm not configuring a server or constantly changing parameters. The setup is done once, and after that, the platform handles the ongoing process. Obviously, I'm only talking about what I've seen in my own account during these 2+ weeks. That's not a promise that someone else is going to get the same results. So if you have questions about any part of the setup, leave them in comments. I'm going to keep testing it, and I'll share more results when I have something useful to show. I'll leave the platform link in description and pin it in comments, and just be careful with the website you use. Crypto has plenty of fake platforms and cloned sites, and some of them can look almost identical to the original, so check the address before connecting wallet or sending any crypto.